Item: SCP-1809. Codename: Microscopic Cellular Housing Enthusiasts. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-1809-A is to be housed within a containment cell furnished suitably as a living area. Item requests are to be reviewed prior to approval or denial. The cell is to be monitored, and all regurgitations and/or excretions are to be analyzed prior to disposal or storage. SCP-1809-A is to be fed twice daily as per Protocol SF-01. Microscopic analysis is to be conducted within a separate area in which individual instances of SCP-1809-1 may be observed and/or extracted. Description: SCP-1809 is a collective of sapient microscopic organisms inhabiting cytoplasms within most permanent and quiescent cell types within a human male, referred to as SCP-1809-A. SCP-1809 is a former arborist with no professional links to cellular biology, cellular experimentation or other possible origin for SCP-1809's effect. SCP-1809-A claims to have been entirely oblivious to SCP-1809 inhabitants prior to discovery. SCP-1809 was discovered following SCP-1809-A's apparently unrelated skin cancer resulting in a cellular defect, to which a specialist private cancer treatment facility was referred, healing the impairment. SCP-1809 was discovered during a follow-up microscopic analysis of the affected area, in which the surrounding unaffected cells exhibited anomalies later identified as instances of SCP-1809-1. SCP-1809-1. The individual microscopic inhabitants of SCP-1809-A resemble exoskeletal crustaceans. Instances of SCP-1809-1 emit intermittent pulsations of light from within an interior source. Extensive observation reveals SCP-1809-1 to be constantly communicating via Morse code. Topics of conversation primarily consist of the well-being of SCP-1809-A, referred to as him or he between SCP-1809-1, and quality of life between individual instances. See Addendum. Despite this, language analysis has proven difficult due to extensive time taken to emit light pulsations. When a cell is selected, SCP-1809-1 will attempt to penetrate the cell membrane, invariably allowing for a safe opening to within, in such a manner so as to prevent lysis. Once inside, SCP-1809-1 will attempt to rearrange all internal subcellular organelles such as nuclei, without physically harming the cell interior. Following this, SCP-1809-1 will remain in a dormant and immobile state unless physically interacted with. Instances of SCP-1809-1 are asexual and do not appear to require sustenance. Further analysis of SCP-1809-1's behavioral patterns is yet to be conducted. Addendum 1809 to 1801. Morse translation of a conversation between two instances of SCP-1809-1 inspecting a neuron. How is he? He's fine. No illnesses as far as I can tell. What do you think? Is this one to your liking? Very much so. In fact, this is among the best. Indeed. And of course, such a fine view of the nervous system from the axon terminals is irresistible, is it not? I love it. What's your verdict? I'll take it. I can't resist those dendrites. Sir, you have yourself a deal. Note: 1. Instance of SCP-1809-1 included within the above conversation remained within the neuron for 3 days prior to the appearance of 5 larger instances of SCP-1809-1, all of which appeared to physically enforce the removal of the first instance from the cell. Addendum 1809 to 1802. SCP-1809-A excreted and regurgitated several scraps of a paper-like substance composed primarily of thinned and dyed muscle tissue. The initial origin and method by which the muscle tissue was altered and transported in such a manner is unknown. Visible on the substance was clear text. Individual scraps are included below. Semi-adjoined lens cell, crystalline lens, for sale within the left eye. 5 cytoplasm beds, natural epithelium shape, constant hot iron liquid supply and a perfect view of the pupil. For sale to those with a stable income. Within an excellent, small community for the elite. Do not hesitate to contact No. Illegible. The finest quality keratin. Polished and ready installed. Available now. Trichoside cells. Trichoside cells are for the hardest of the hard. Situated within one of the most sought-after toenails in the entire left leg, your supply of amino acids is invariable and secure. Comes ready fitted with 3 recyclable, ensuite amino acid hot spas and hand-carved keratinous furniture. And to put the nucleolus on the nucleus, we promise to repair all trimming and clipping damage. We're only moments away. Are you tough enough? Call now to ensure the highest standard of living for the hardest of the illegible. A truly unique mobile blood cell. Hurry while the price is low. Complete with a bowl-shaped exterior and excellent quality pigmentation. Suitable for the working class. Have you ever considered a mobile home? Read no further. You've come to the right cellular housing directory. Note: our company and our associates are not responsible for the causation of sickle cell anemia or any other form of hematological blood cell affecting outbreak within your newly purchased mobile home. In the event of a home affecting outbreak within your area following purchase, contact your cell insurance agent.